Salutations! This is Sephiroth and Cypher's channel. Welcome back. Today we got a Legacy Collection Kosmoceratops and a Dino Rival Nasutoceratops, and we will compare it to a Jurassic World Dino Trackers REGALICERATOPS. Alright, we're gonna unbox this. We're gonna check the box. There you go. Alright, so we already have all three of these. This one's still downstairs. We haven't reviewed it yet. It's the Raptor. That's probably the next one. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna unbox it now. Alright. So yeah, this is the first time I'm doing like sideways now. I think it's better. I should have done this long ago. Okay, I think it's stuck. Why is it stuck? I don't see nothing. Oh, there you go. Alright, now we're gonna bring the tail out. Whoa. Let's pause. Okay, get the tail out. Let's put it in. Alright. Alright. It has a nice feel in it. It has a little quills on the back. It's really cool. There's a small one there too. Whoops. There you go. There we go. Can move from left to right. Oop. So that's compared to a Nasutoceratops. Alright. Our Dino Rival here. And our Legacy Collection. It is actually also a Dominion. It's on the Dominion timeline, this Kosmoceratops. Oh, also, by the way, if you click the description now, there's like links to my older videos, so you guys won't get lost, and it's really cool. It's actually like related to other dinosaurs. If you click it, like example for this one, it will take you a Triceratops or a Diabloceratops, stuff like that, and other links that I made. So yeah, there you go. This is our nice Ceratopsia here. I think I need one more. So there you go, 3 of them now. There you go. Don't forget to subscribe and like, guys. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to smash that like button. And yeah, observe those links that I made down there. Alright, thanks again, guys. Have a great day. Bye.